Good morning to all. I am uh, I am explaining the chapter polynomials for revision ninth standard. So now I am starting the topic. For first of all, polynomial. It is first of all I am explaining an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression en xn en minus 1 x n minus 1 dot plus a2 x square a1 x 1 a0 l0. It is the form of an algebraic expression. So in this algebraic expression defined by px, it means 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This side of the expression same as, but in the case of polynomial this expression denoted by px, so it is a polynomial. Then types of polynomial. First, monomial. Second, binomial. Third, trinomial. Fourth, multimonial. Containing one term. Monomial is that an expression which contain only one term only. Binomial, two terms. Trinomial, three terms. Multimonial, more than three terms. So multimonial is also called polynomial. So understood my point? Monomial containing one term only, binomial containing two term only, trinomial containing three terms only, multimonial more than three terms. So that are called polynomial. Explaining the degree of the polynomial. The highest degree of the polynomial, highest degree of px is called degree. So degree of polynomial. Px equal to 2x4 3x square 5x plus 4. It is the polynomial. So it is we can see highest degree, highest power of x is called degree. So now name of polynomial. degree first constant polynomial degree 0. Number 2 linear polynomial degree 1 quadratic polynomial degree 2 4 cubic polynomial degree 3 number 5 biquadratic polynomial degree 4 number 6 zero polynomial degree not defined. So in this way we can find the degree of the given polynomial. Now I am explaining the coefficient of any variable. So before explaining the coefficient of x, first of all you should be well known about the terms. This is the polynomial. So these are, we can write terms 2x4 3x square 5x 4. These are the terms. So we have to find out the coefficient of x variable. Now question is that what is the coefficient of x4 in 2x4. So solution is 2x4, you write down 2x4, it is the term. We have to find out the coefficient of x4. So it is the coefficient, it is the variable. So answer should be the coefficient of x4 equal to 2 in 2x4. ऐसे ही in the same manner 3x square, the coefficient of x square is this 3. Similarly 5x, the coefficient of x is 5, and 4, coefficient of 4 we may write this. So it means the coefficient of x0 is 4. In this way we can find the coefficient. Now I am giving a example for you for understanding the degree and coefficient. Question is, find the 0 of px equal to 2x plus 3. So I am giving a solution. First of all, we write down 2x plus 3. We have to find out the zero. For finding zero of the polynomial px equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 3, 0 minus 3, so 2x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2. It is the zeros of the given polynomial. Therefore minus 3 by 2 is the zero of px equal to 2x plus 3. In this way we can find the linear polynomial, because it is the linear polynomial highest degree 1, so it is also called linear polynomial. So linear polynomial contain only one zero. Now I am giving example for finding example number 2. If px equal to 2x plus 3, find p0, p1. So in the same manner I am giving solution. It is the px equal to 2x plus 3. Now at x equal to 0, so p0 equal to 2 into 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 equal to 3. In the same manner at x equal to 1, so p1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. In this way we can find p0, p1, p2, p3 and so on. Now I will discuss in the next chapter in the next day.